Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute your microphone audio in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom section of your screen. This is where you'll find the audio mixer panel, which is one of the most important sections for controlling all your audio sources during recording or streaming. The audio mixer displays all your active audio inputs and outputs, making it easy to manage sound levels and mute or unmute sources as needed. Now within the audio mixer panel, look for your microphone source. It's typically labeled as mic/aux, though depending on how you've set up your audio devices, it might have a custom name like USB microphone, desktop audio, or whatever label you assign to it when configuring your sources. Take a moment to identify which source corresponds to your microphone so you're adjusting the correct audio input. Once you've located your microphone source, you'll notice a small speaker icon positioned right next to it. This speaker icon is your quick access control for muting and unmuting that specific audio source. Go ahead and click on this speaker icon. When you click it, the icon will change to show a crossed-out speaker symbol, which is a visual indicator that your microphone is now muted. This means OBS is no longer capturing audio from that source, giving you full control over when your microphone is active during your recordings or live streams. If you want to unmute your microphone at any point, simply click the speaker icon again. The crossed-out symbol will disappear, and the regular speaker icon will return, indicating that your microphone audio is now active again. This toggle functionality makes it incredibly convenient to quickly mute and unmute yourself during streams without having to navigate through multiple menus or settings. It's especially useful during moments when you need to cough, take a phone call, or simply want to pause your audio input temporarily. And that's it. You now know how to quickly mute and unmute your microphone audio in OBS Studio, giving you better control over your audio during recordings and streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.